Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can get Clyde on Discord. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up your Discord application and simply log in with your account. Now, start by opening your Discord and navigating to your server. You can see that if I go over to into integration section of my account, I don't have the Clyde beta version of Discord. But today I'll show you how you can get it for free. So what you need to do is simply paste the link in the chat box of your server and just send it. After that, click on the view template button and a new server will be created. This server will have the Clyde bot by default. If it doesn't have, try repeating this procedure until you get it. I got it in 3 tries, but you may take a bit more than that. And that's how you can get Clyde on Discord. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.